bells means it's time to talk fishing. We're in the heart of summer. My goodness, it's going by so fast. It comes as aggressive fish. I want aggressive techniques, and to learn about that, we need an aggressive approach with Jason Matthew. Good morning. Welcome to the show.
Good morning. This looks pretty aggressive to me.
It looks expansive, for sure. What do you have there?
Well, this is what's called a bottom bouncer, and the thing that happens at this time of year when the heat kicks in, Daryl, is the fish go deeper. I'm talking like 25 feet plus, and I usually don't want to fish for them deeper than that because it's really hard if you want to release some of the bigger ones. But this weight, this giant weight called the bottom bouncer, will get you down deep and get you near the bottom.
Where are the fish right now?
You know, like we're talking points and flats, and when I say flats, these big expanse areas of your lake where the depth doesn't change much, kind of just going off of the edge of those points. So you need to cover water. You can go really fast with these things too, like 1.5 miles an hour, 2 or so K, and cover a lot of water, which you may need to do to find those fish.
You got big weights on this. Do we need that big of a weight? What is that?
Yeah, this is called what's called a bottom bouncer. So it just kind of glides nicely on the bottom, you know, without actually getting snagged up, and then at the end of it I've got this spinner, and it just rotates nicely. You put a worm or a piece of, you know, a plastic worm on it, spin it, and the fish just love that as a bait.
So colors right now.
Yeah, I mean, the chartreuse or the yellows work really, really well. They can imitate perch and different things that walleyes and pike eat, so it's definitely a good color to go with.
Do I need a boat, or can I do this from shore?
You really got to use a boat. This is a trolling technique. Casting this, you can only imagine the level of tangle that would be involved. So you just gently let it down, and in terms of the weight, it's 1 ounce per 10 feet. So if you want to go 20 feet, you go 2 ounces, etc. Okay. So that's how you sort of do the math on that.
What if I'm doing it from shore? What's my approach? How do I change?
Well, you know, from shore, what I would recommend is, you know, find those spots that drop very quickly, because we're going to have some weeds and stuff that are going to get in your way. And then you want to go with some what are called crankbaits, minnow imitations like this. These are perch, and there's 2 different sizes and lip sizes on these.
No 5 diamonds? We're not breaking.
Well, you know, if you want to, that's always an option.
I like old school.
Sure.
I'm an old school guy.
I know, and that's always an option. Anything shiny, flashy, and could be annoying to a predator fish, like a spoon could be, absolutely the way to go.
What are we catching right now? What's biting?
We're catching walleye and pike out in the deeper water. Some perch if you want to slow it down and jig. Yep. You know, and but the fish are definitely biting. You just have to go a little bit deeper.
You still doing all kinds of seminars and things like that? You
know, we're definitely we've done a few in the spring. We've done a few online things as well. We're really focusing right now on the doing the different, you know, promotions like we're doing right now, and also our website, which is getfishing.ca, where we've got a really good technique on this.
Where are you going to be next?
Probably in terms of fishing, somewhere around here. I'm trying to set up how
you don't want to give them away, though. I always try to get you to give them away.
You know, but it'll probably be the Coppell Lakes or possibly Last Mountain this weekend. We'll have to see.
When people go with you, you blindfold them, don't you? Get in the back, don't look.
Possibly, yeah.
Getfishing.ca for more information. Jason, thank you.